Hey guys, this is Wednesday, and Wednesday is in math at least. It's going to be known as for your remediation work. So you're only going to have about 2 sheets every Wednesday. Now that means you can take this time if you haven't completed your work for Monday or Tuesday to go back and look at it. So here we go. What you're going to be doing is some 4-digit by 1-digit multiplication. Okay, remember when we're doing 4 by 1 digit or anything multiplication wise. Remember, we have 4,959 times 3. You start right here. Well, that's your only number. So what we're going to do is 9 times 3 is 27. Put my 7, carry my 2. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 2 is 17. 3 times 9 is 27, plus 1 is 28. Then 3 times 12. 3 times 12, I'm sorry. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 2 is 14. So these numbers are going to be a little larger, but we're just multiplying, and we know what we're doing. So 5,354 times 6. Start off with my 6, and 6 times 4 is 24. 5 times 6 is 30, plus 2 is 32. Then I have 6 times 3 is 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. 6 times 5 is 30, plus 2 is 32. Okay, 4,418 times 5. Okay, we have 5 times 8 is 40. Put my 0 down, carry my 4. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 4 is 9. 5 times 4 is 20. So put my 0, carry my 2. And then 5 times 4 is 20, plus 2 is 22. All right, so now I have 1,003 times 5. 5 times 3 is 15. Carry my 1. 5 times, remember, any number times 0 is 0. So 5 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 1 is 5. Now, what you're going to be responsible for, guys, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows of 4 problems. So you have 20 problems right there. Take your time. Remember to multiply correctly. Your next assignment, I know it starts with 21, but that's okay. So this is kind of a mixture of problems. So we have some 4-digit by 1-digit, and then we go 2-digit by 2-digit. So it's not going to be that big of a stretch, but here's the deal I'm going to make you. Here's what we're going to do. We are going to go through and circle the odd questions. So that would be 21, 23, 25, number 27, 29, 31, 33, 35, 37, and 39. So you have circled 21, 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, 33, 25, 37, 39. So that leaves you with 10 problems you're going to have to do. Okay? Now, remember, when we do this, you are multiplying. Start in the ones place. And you're going to go 8 times 1 is 8. Okay? 8 times 2 is 16. Now, we do not have our squares, so you need to keep everything lined up nice and neat. Okay? 8 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. Then 8 times 1 is 8. All right, now the next one, you have 82 times 34. And this is when I cannot stress that you need to keep your things lined up nice and straight. Okay? So, if you even want to, you can take a pencil. Do not do it dark because it's going to look like it's a 1. But you could almost draw a line like this to make sure your numbers stay lined up. All right, so I have 4 times 2 because I'm starting in my ones place. So 4 times 2 is 8. All right, and then 4 times 8 is 32. So I'm going to put my 2 here and then my 3 to keep everything nice and lined up. Now, I'm going over to my tens place, so I have to put that 0 down. Okay, now 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 8 is 24. Now that is why I write my numbers like I do when I say 24. I write the 4 first and then the 2 over there because it keeps everything lined up nice and neat. So now we add. 8 plus 0 is 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. 3 plus 4 is 7. And 2 goes down. Now, I've done 2 of your 10 problems, so you have 8 problems left. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 problems that are 4 by 1, and then 4 problems that are 2 by 2. So if you have any questions or comments, since this is a Wednesday packet or Wednesday assignment, you can get on during my regular scheduled times, and you can pop up, ask me questions. But if you have questions at any time, send me an email. Okay, that's all you got to do, and we'll set something up. Or that's all I got. Okay, so you're just going to be using this. You're going to answer the rest of them. Remember, you're only responsible for working the odd problems. All right, that is it for Wednesdays. No, it's not, because you have numeracy to do. But then that's all for Wednesday's remediation day. Hope you have a good day. Stay out of trouble.